Good morning, guys. My mum and I and my daughter, we are off to shopping today. Mariana, say hello.
Hello.
Anyway, so we're gonna go off and take my daughter shopping because she wants to go do some last minute Christmas shopping while she's got the day off work. Okay. We're here to pick her up, but she's not here. She should be standing out here waiting. Otherwise, I'm going to drive back home and there's no shopping to do. 5 million years later. Yeah. How dare she make us wait? Okay, you know what? I'm starting my car. If she doesn't hurry up and come, I'm going home. Me and my mom are going home. Amadia. Ako ay nga sa kamay ka ili ka ulo ka uy ice cream ya McDonald.
Happy myself.
Yeah, nga fai mai sa pikia le o fiu fa karia ku fa fole ese. Lo que tapu park que around. Po fele la lo langi. Oh my gosh, she probably doesn't even have her high heels on. What the fuck, guys? Next minute. Please come. Sorry, now drew it. Did you get it?
No. I don't know.
I was pointing. Okay, we're gonna freeze. So I'll spin around at the lights. We're going towards Mount Druitt, guys. Mount Druitt. We're gonna go to this place we call Faye's, but it's got its real name. What's its real name, Sharon? I was taught.
I don't know, it's just an Asian market.
Yeah. So we're gonna go there because Sharon wants to do her shopping. And I hate it when I call it Sharon. Sharon, you haven't even forwarded what you said that you were going to forward to me from yesterday? Yeah, buddy. See how it writes.
Excuse me, I paid for lunch.
If you buy my lunch, how much would that be?
I bought our lunch.
What was our lunch? Whatever.
When we had, what do we have? Basil and lime, sizzle plate.
It's like
My stuff was $40.
It was like I had half a quarter of fried rice.
Well, no one told you sandwich was with chilora. Got it?
Yeah, you know what I didn't like it? It had raw onion in it.
Yeah, and that's the best bit about that rice.
Yeah.
It's not even raw, it's just not fully cooked.
Yeah. When the onion is crunchy, if it's a red onion, I don't mind if it's crunchy. But if it's a white, the brown one, oh no, thank you. It's gotta be cooked. Yeah, there's the train station of Mount Druitt, the bus depot on the left there, guys. Taking you guys in to a tour. Wait, look at here. It's like a tractor being there. Yeah, here's old Mount Druitt. If you guys used to stay here, yeah, this Mount Druitt. Hey, don't talk about Mount Druitt again. Hey, nah, Mount Druitt's good. And there goes the naughty house, guys.
Photo.
On the left there, the naughty house. That's the courthouse where everyone goes to do when they're naughty or when they're taking their partners for domestic violence, stuff like that, you know? Yeah, naughty house. Yep, we go to this place. They have nice noodle soup there, rice noodle soup. Yeah, there's the Centrelink over there. There's my grandma's place.
Anyways, on to more important stuff.
Hey!
There's the Asian market.
Yeah, there's the Asian market.
The noodle soup
that was
even
important.
The best thing they have.
Okay. Oh, look at that little lady. tile off it. Sorry, lady. Don't mean to scare you. There. I'm so glad this place is always full now. Now we're going to park. Oh, yeah, I got handicaps.
Good Luck Plaza, that's what it's called.
Oh, yeah. Good Luck Plaza. Yeah, we are parking right here because Grandma's got a other sticker. A handicap sticker. I don't know what does it say? Customer parking. Oh, 2 hours maximum.
Okay, I'm turning it off.
Yeah, what? Ciao. Yeah, well, if you so. Yeah, well, my love was both. Yeah, I'll do it. Yeah, they're mine. And I don't know whose are these. And the red ones are still over there. And I thought they were Savannah's. Hang on, I just... Oh, my mama, the way she does her secret. Yes, so look. Yeah, because they were asking, whose red slides? Hey, can we swap shoes, man? They're my shoes, what you got on. Oh, hang on. I gotta lock my car. I always do this. I never lock my car. Where is it? Oh, yeah, yeah. Maria, ole med det. See, this is where we come and eat, right? Forever. Yeah, hi. I'm just curious, how much is it to sew like a lady's full dress?
Full dress.
Yeah.
So what's the style?
Pardon?
What it depends on the style. The simple one, straight down, round neck.
Yeah.
It starts from $65.
Oh, really?
Yeah. If you want a lace one,
Yeah.
put her lining inside. That's starts from $85. But all depends on the pattern. If you want off shoulder, princess cut, baby waist, or maybe mermaid, it's different.
Oh, okay.
Charge a little bit more.
So it starts from $65.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Simple one, straight down.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, because I got material at home for my mum, and I always try and come here, but you're always like busy. So, but anyway, thank you for that, and then I can go get my material and bring it back to nature.
Okay. I need to let her come for measurement. That's be better.
Oh, okay. Yeah, thank you very much. Have a good day. Yeah, bye. Maria. Nè phải mày ông ngồi đi mà cả là đi mày sụi vậy chứ phía đấy không ngủ phía ôi xí cả cái à chứ mình không cả ôi xí cả cái vào sulu we gonna go eat. Oh, neither do I. Oh, I'm gonna put my camera here. Nobody does here. This is this for you and Grandma. I'm gonna put my camera here. If I can see your mic, yeah. And then I might see me. Em mà ngày được chào mày, thì Uma lộ chào mày lên bên bàn này. Thank you. Yeah. Oh yeah, okay, thanks. And an extra bowl, please. Here's that soup that I love, guys, and the yummy pork chop. Once again, my mom, look, she's so patient. She's waiting for her calories. Yeah, see, mate, and man, how you show me? Yeah. Okay, yeah, mate, it's cool. Yeah, that. Let me see. What is that? Ay, oi. Baby Bella mà kia. Baby Bella. Nó hơi phiếu rồi. Ngay cái cá ngồi. Ngay cái yeah, because I can hear Pakali sing cool down. My mom wants us to eat instead of waiting for the food to cool down. Oh, okay. Where's that drink? Just in case your bird's enough. Okay guys, my soup must be getting cold. I better start eating. Don't you usually get a broth with that? Oh nice, the broth is nice. It usually is, isn't it? Man, yeah. Guys. Oh, okay.
Mine, can of Coke. Can of Coke. Can of Coke.
You got a cookie?
Can of Coke.
Oh. Yeah. Got our mango juice, guys. Cheers, guys.
Cheers, guys.
Anyway, guys, this place is in Mount Druitt, right? It's opposite the Mount Druitt Falls. It's really nice. They have a butcher here, a fish shop, a vegetable place. And they even have a shop here that, you know when you sell your food and you need those little cartons to pour all your food, they supply it here. Really tasty food, guys. See, these are $3.20 over here for these, and you get a 4-pack. And so inside woolies and that. Sorry, woolies. Yeah, so you get a 4-pack, and it's cheap. See? So, I'll be needing this. Ngare dua biar kumbuka troli. Yang ada lah, yeah. Yeah. So I see me at a kumbuka troli. You can get turmeric, onion powder, garlic powder, and curry powder. Oh. I wonder what their one tastes like. Yeah, so it's got all the stuff here. Black pepper, and it's really like sort of cheap. We got all this oregano, ground oregano for $6.50, cumin seed. Got all this good stuff, and they're fairly reasonable prices too. Look, they even got the Chinese 5 spice for $9.50, cumin seed. Man, you can come here, get all your stuff, all your powder, and then you don't have to buy it for a while, you know? So it's awesome. You can get all your noodles here too. And you can get this coconut juice here. See? This is the noodle that I come and buy. This one here. And then you can get your wonton wraps, guys. You can get that here as well. There's so much. And then you get your bean sprout here. Okay. And all your lovely looking mushrooms. Yum! I love this mushroom when they put it in a chow mein. And then you get that nice thick rice noodles. These ones you can chop it up yourself, or you can get the one already chopped up. Ole chali. Yeah, how are you? Oh yeah, I like this. Yeah, yeah. Come on, my scapusa. Yeah, from the morning. Oh, yum. Yeah. Nothing about here. Come on, let's pick it. Yeah, right. No leave. No leave, no leave. My scacasinga. Adele. What we got, Charlie? Malipepo lele. Dele leko kiri ka make it funny. Kaya mas ka pipa niya. Mariana. Yeah. Yeah. Ito na yung mga. Biki nung nah, lai wa ka make it funny. Pardon? No, we're done. Oh my gosh, I didn't even get the onion powder. I was busy filming and I forgot. Mariana, yeah. I saw what I said onion powder. Which you just.
Is this freezer?
No, I got it from around the corner. That's the one that I got and I got a mukbang on it. It's really nice. Mariana.
What is the big one?
No, that's for my suafai. Yeah, that's us. Thank you. Wait. No, just. No. Can you leave this? Papi Maria. So cao somebody after that. No, I won't take her down the stairs. She might have a fall. So papi cao với vậy. So papi.
I know.
Yeah, bakula. There we go. Hold this while I close the door. That's where we are now, at Plumpton. We are now at Plumpton. It's alright. So what's she trying to do? Getting to be Christmas. Yeah. That's got a shorts inside. That's not for the beach. Where's this shop from?
Okay.
Where's this shop from? That's nice. I said it first. I said... Stop it.
It's one size.
Okay, one size. I got this one there. Oh no. No. Yeah? Okay. Yeah.
It's one size, though.
Yeah, one size fits all.
Oh, I like that one. Never mind.
I like this one as well. Where? Maria, cara, fica so awful. Ik heb je via. Oh yeah. Huh? Ik heb je via awful now. Oh. It fit more. It fit more kaka uma. Hey, e vai, e pulo in una fappia. Yeah. I'm trying to think where's the shop from. Yeah, that's nice to stay home.
Stay home?
Yeah, we're around the house. Ah? Verder op ik heb 4 mga hoor. Oh, ik heb 4 mga op hier. Inga. Yes, Vicky for se op. Ik heb 4 mga op mga je pa dia. Dia. Ja? Ah ja, dia. Ja, dia. Oh, dia, yo op le den kan wa share. Yo, ula dia. Whoa, that's nice. Pretty big. Oh, wow. Okay, that's yours. Ah, ikan wa soli.
Ngayon umaw.
Na?
Ngayon umaw. Ay pauwa.
Yeah. That's beautiful. That's nice. It should fit you because, oh, but look where that goes, all the way down. Yeah, why don't you ask her if you can go and try it on? In the girls' toilet. Or do they have a shop here? Can you get all for you?
I'll get her some boots and stuff. Let's get her
Pardon? That's what you wore? Oh. Okay guys, we've done our shopping now. So I just wanted to say, see you guys later. Have a very Merry Christmas if I don't put up another video. But I do have another Cook Island video that I found. I haven't uploaded it, guys. Okay? So for me and my mom, we want to say goodbye. Hi Maria. Hey kid. Oi mai ali, fai le video okay, yeah? Say goodbye. Bye. Yeah, bye guys.